So we got the check valve cut out.
Yeah, so he wanted it. He has a little display for you, like when you go to the doctor and you see the heart.
There you go. Yeah.
So that's how they're supposed to be. They just break away like that.
Yeah.
So like Todd was saying, whenever we see those, we usually recommend just getting rid of them, even if they're still working.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna happen.
Yeah, because it's just held in there by
Yeah.
plastic and rubber. So eventually that wears out.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, and chlorine
causes
mixes.
bumps.
and you can see how dirty they are inside.
Yeah. Yeah, and if your pump's working, you really don't need them.
No, no. Or at least get the upgraded one where you could service. That has a window. Alright, so Jeff's gluing the fitting. Just sizing it up, see if it'll fit.
Sizing her up.
I want to see how you do this.
Me too. I think the America wants to see how he does this. In about 20 minutes, they will.
That's the problem I have.
There's a little flex in the line. Always makes it worse when people are watching.
Yeah, I know.
And I got you on camera, so.
Slips better with the glue on it.
Okay.
Alright, countdown to the final moments when Jeff glues the final fitting on.
Oh boy. See, that's one thing about that reamer, man. It makes such a mess.
I usually just blow it off. Blow it to somewhere else. There's the old one.
So I've got some PVC check valves that I put in. I've got, this is my sister's house. So I've got a pool, I've got a solar heater on my roof. And I put some just PVC check valves in that. You're saying I should get rid of those?
Well, no, PVC check valves in themselves are not bad. If they're the cheap type like this that you can't service and you can't really see, then yeah.
Yeah, you can't see and you can't service.
Yeah.
Just in there.
We saw a lot of the Jandy check valves. I think, what's the other one? Something. Yeah, we saw a couple.
So
Of
just
this,
get ones that have the service hole
and the window.
yeah.
Well, it's got the 8 screws. It'll be just like these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what happened when you guys were talking?
What?
Got it done.
Yeah. See. Man, look at that.